In this video, I will show you how to get contacts from Google account to a new phone. It is a simple process. Let's begin. Open Settings on your phone. Search for an option called Users and Accounts. Tap on it and tap Add Account. Search for Google. Tap on it. You will see a sign in option from Google. Enter your Google account address and tap Next. Enter your Google account password, then tap Next. If the Google account has two-step verification enabled, then you will have to complete the verification. Choose an option that is available for you, such as get a verification code from Google Authenticator or get a verification code at your mobile number. Since this is your new phone, you likely don't have the Google Authenticator app installed. So in this case, you will need to select the option to receive a verification code on your mobile number. It will show you the last two digits of the mobile number that is linked to this Google account. Make sure your mobile number is on and able to receive SMS. When you are ready, tap Get a Verification Code. You should receive SMS along with a Google code. Sometimes Google automatically collects the code from your SMS inbox and completes the verification. If it doesn't, get the code from the SMS inbox and put it in the code box. In my case, Google automatically collected the code from the SMS inbox and completed the verification. Now tap Accept. Now make sure Automatic Sync is turned on. Now on your phone, search for the Contacts app. It's a pre-installed app on most of the phones. If your phone doesn't have Contacts app, go to Play Store, search for Contacts, and install the app on your phone. Open it and you will see the contacts that are saved in your Google account. You can now move them to your Android device if you need. Just tap these three dots, tap Select All, tap three dots again, select Move to another account, tap Move. And it's done. The selected contacts will be moved to your phone. You will see the contacts under device. That's it. This is how you get contacts from your Google account to a new phone. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. Thank you.